in some scenario that the cooling for the battery is a big problem, because if you have a very big battery system, I mean the battery is lead acid very probably. There's a two choice. You put in a cabinet is one choice, which will make the cabinet very big. On the other hand, you have to consider to install the air conditioner. But if there's another idea, we put the battery on the ground. That's what we do for our customer before, and we made a waterproof box to help them bury the battery on the ground. Because when the battery is on the ground, the cooling will not be a problem. Then what we should do is just to process well with the waterproof uh, performance. Then everything can be done. This box we put on the ground, and we have a two cable come from here to the main power system. Everything's fine. There's no cooling part we should worry about. This actually could be an idea that considered by our customer, but I don't see a lot of customer doing this. So if you're interested, you can tell me that we can make some test here.